Let us see the question of Linter's approach. Given the last year's dividend is rupees 9.8. So friends, it is given a technical name as DT minus 1. So dividend per share of the previous year. Speed of adjustment is 45%. What is speed of adjustment? I just explained that to you when we are doing answer. Target payout ratio is 60%. That is the normal dividend payout ratio. Earning per share for the current year is 20 rupees. EPS, that is earning available to equity shareholders divided by number of shares. Calculate the current year's dividend using Linter's approach. That is a question. So from this information, we are required to compute the dividend per share using Linter model. So friends, over here, the last year dividend, that is called DT minus 1, is 9.8. There is a new information, dividend adjustment rate, 45%. Then target payout ratio 1 minus B, 60%. And earning per share is rupees 20. Now we understand that, say, in normal circumstances, let me explain to you. Dividend per share is earning per share into dividend payout ratio. In normal situation, so it is 20 rupees into 0.6. That comes to rupees 12. Linter model says something like this, that dividend for the current year should be equal to whatever the dividend that say you paid in the previous year, that is 9 rupee 80 paise plus something more. How much more? For that they have provided a kind of working like this. 12 rupees minus 9.8. What is the current year's dividend? Previous year dividend plus you give an increase. What is the amount of increase? It is 2 rupee 20 paise in this example, multiplied with dividend adjustment rate, that is 45%. What is the dividend payout? That is the dividend adjustment rate. It is indicating the confidence level which the company has to maintain its earning in future. If at all your confidence level is high, then the dividend adjustment rate would be high. If at all your confidence level is low, then dividend adjustment rate will also be low. So 2 rupee 20 paise into 45%. So this is the additional dividend over and above the previous year dividend. This is the way the current year's dividend is calculated. I explain it again. What is dividend of the current year? It is equal to the last year dividend plus something. Plus what? For that, so they have given the formula like this. EPS into dividend payout ratio. This is the normal dividend that you have. Yes. From this, already previous year dividend has been mentioned on the left hand side. So it is deducted from this value. Because you cannot give the earning per share into dividend payout ratio plus last year's dividend per share. So EPS into dividend payout ratio, whatever this dividend that you have, from that the previous year dividend is subtracted. That will give us the incremental dividend. That entire incremental dividend will not be given. Only a portion of the same will be given. That is, it will be multiplied with the dividend adjustment rate, which is required to be decided subjectively by the company, and say it will be kept both if at all the confidence level of the company to maintain its earning is higher, and vice versa. So please write down answer. DT stands for current year's dividend per share. DT minus 1 is last year's dividend per share. EPS is simple, earning per share. One minus B is dividend payout ratio. And importantly, there is a new point that is called C. C stands for dividend adjustment rate. That is the way answer is required to be found. So we understand like this for the C means dividend adjustment rate comma it shows confidence level of the company comma to maintain its future earning. Full stop. If the company has confident to maintain its future earning comma adjustment rate will be high and vice versa. Full stop. It is required to be decided by the company comma based on its own confidence level.